Good morning. How they be? See, I see the front light, see the side mirror. I never put the speedometer. I go put on today. See battery house. Where battery go dey? This na the light where I use there. See am. So work don't go. I don't do the intake. See the front motor guard. See am. No I run there. This bag don't finish already. Now what I want if I put that front motor speedometer now. Just do where person go to pull leg if you carry on for back. See am. Just say I take do this thing now. See am. Carry someone and the person go day up. Then you with the driver go day inside, go get balance. So this is it for now. Thank you.